If you've been charged with prescription fraud or altering a prescription in Utah, it's a serious offense. And the reason why I say that is because usually they charge it as a felony offense, which could land you in prison for up to 5 years per count. Oftentimes what I'm seeing in the last 12 years of me practicing criminal defense is that people have a legitimate injury due to a car accident or some other chronic pain that they have, maybe a lower back pain or maybe a knee injury or something of that effect. Their doctor puts them on a prescription and then they become addicted to the prescription. And then they talk to their doctor and their doctor doesn't give them the appropriate amount to deal with the pain. And so they end up taking measures into their own hands, and oftentimes they'll forge the prescription to give them a little bit extra pills to accommodate for the pain that they're receiving. Other times the doctors will want to wean them off of the medication, and rather than getting off the medication at the schedule that the doctor gives the patient will want to extend that out a little bit further. And so what we're seeing is innocent people that are getting addicted to these pain pills and extending the periods of their prescription, doing it on their own without their doctor's permission, and that lands them into felony trouble. And so what I try to do as a criminal defense attorney, and some of the defenses I've used in the past, have been to try to mitigate the damages with the client, and with the prosecutor I will try to negotiate a resolution so it doesn't go on their record and they don't do any jail time, but we make sure they're getting an evaluation so that they get the help that they need. And I'll try to do the same on your case. First thing I try to do, obviously, is I try to get the case dismissed. But in cases where we can't do that because perhaps the facts are overwhelming, I will try to arrange for a plea resolution with the prosecutor that the court will approve, that will keep it off your record and also avoid jail time. Give us a call. We've done hundreds of these cases over the years. I've been practicing for over 12 years. I've handled hundreds of these prescription fraud cases. And I can tell you that there's a lot of resources out there to help if you're still addicted to the pain pills. And if you're not, and if you've gotten over it, there's ways that we can keep this off your record so that you don't have to worry about being a felon the rest of your life. Give us a call right now and set up a free consultation. It usually takes about a half an hour. We'll go over the specific facts of your case, and I'll discuss with you how we can get this thing dismissed and keep it off your record.